Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So question peeps as usual. As you all know me, go by the names of my chase. So today I'd like to show you how to register to get the app, log in to get the app, and also put the license key and connect your API token so that you can get a trade automatically on your behalf. So the account for the app. So you put your display name, email together with the password. So let me just put my own credentials here. It's this password, and let me put the password. You log in to get the app. Then here you paste the license key that you received from your email or from the mentor. You see license key activated plus 100 scans. So now we have the EE now, the EHS scanner. So now we want to save the EHS scanner, add it to the home screen. Come here down where there's three dots, you go to share, you scroll, then you add to home. You write the name of the EE here. Let's write Smart HEE because I've already have the other one that side. So we add to home. This one is this one. So let's log in here. Now we have the app. Then we log into the app. So now we can do this and log in anytime now. Now we can able to log in anytime. Okay, so what will happen here is that before we come here on MetaTrader, before we put our credentials for the broker on MetaTrader, what we need is to get the API Cloud, the one that we're gonna put here. Actually, gonna put the token right here. We need to put the token here. We need to put the token. So what we're gonna do here is get the MetaTrader details. Okay, here I'm gonna use Xness. Let me use Xness. A server 10. This account is server 10 64282955. Then this side I'm gonna put the password. 813. The credentials are saved. However, it won't give me trades whenever I'm hosting or I'm executing trade after getting the signal from the screen. So what I need to do, you're gonna create your own API account where you will subscribe, then you take the token and paste it here so that this app can send a trade automatically in your account on your behalf without waiting for anyone or without just taking the signal and you execute manual. So kindly note that this API subscription doesn't go to anyone mentor, but then it's for the platform. It's for the API platform. You see, you can just subscribe, then you stop the deployment whenever you're not trading. You start the deployment when you want to trade every time, you see, just to save the money. It's only 166 rand, you see. So now we need to create our MetaApi Cloud. So let's go. We go here, then we come here on the first website. We sign up since we don't have the account. Then on email, you write algo vintage 26 8 gmail.com. Then we write the name. We can write so password. Let me paste my password here and confirm it here. We submit. Now we do have the account for the Meta API. You see, we do have the account for the Meta API. Let us fill our profile here. So we do have the account for Meta API. Okay, so let us resend the email so that we can approve it. We are verifying the account. So the account is now verified. The account is verified now. So what we need to do here is to come here on a API access, generate API access token. Then you disable this one, you leave this one, MetaApi RPC over WebSockets API. Then you leave a MetaApi RSST API, Trading Account Management API. Then you generate this token here. Then you generate the token. This is the token that you're gonna use. Then put it here on your account. This is the token that you're gonna use. You're gonna put it here on your account. Then you save your trading. You put the password on your account. Then you save. So now you can get the execution automatically. But in order to get the execution, you need to ensure that you pay for the token so that it can add trades automatically. So we're gonna add your payment method. Decide here, you put your country, South Africa. Then decide you can put anything. Let's write Smart Age, Forex. Next, you add your card details. Decide payment method successfully added. So now I wanna go and subscribe. I'm done putting my banking details here on the billing information. So now I want to make the deposit for the API. So it's 160. So 160 equivalent to USD. I think it's $10. You see, then we make the deposit. So now we're making the deposit for the API. So it's your own API. You don't share the API, because if you share the API, they're gonna use your tokens and then it's gonna charge you here. But it's better if you're using it alone. It's better if you're using the API alone in one account, because the API is charging per one account. You see, so now it is pay textual is deducted, and the fee of getting the account or registering the account for the first time, I think it's $2. $2, yeah, $2.10. So now we are down here. We come here on a account. So you see now it automated put the account that I have on my app. Is this account, you see. So now we can simple check this. And this is the account I have. So account, and let's check this one. Because the token is now active. Scan. Okay, so now we've managed to scan. Now we're gonna put the trades. Let's put at least 2 trades. Then review and execute trades.
Preparing to execute 2 sell orders on Zoasten, lot size 0.01 SMC concept. Reason for the signal, detected symbol.
Now you see the trades are in. Now you see the trades are in, because we have the token. So you only paste on the API token only, the site only. Don't paste it there, because it's written the MetaApi account ID has been auto created on the safety. You see, you put the meta token on. Then after you're done trading, you need to come here. Can you see where it said deployed? Then you pause it. You pause this so that the account can be disconnected if you're not saving. Why are you pausing this if you're not trading? Let's say maybe you're trading in the morning and the whole day you're not trading. You pause this after trading because you are saving your own bills this side. You're saving your own API. You see, you're saving your own API. It doesn't cost so much, you see, per hour because it's charging per hour. Let me come here so that you can see how much does it charge. So you see, it's charging $0.012 per account. So I don't know how much is this. I don't even know how much is this in rands, but then you can convert that on your own currency if you're using USD, USDT, whatever. And then it's also charging whenever you stop the API, then you come back, it's gonna charge you $0.72. So it's not a lot of money. It's not a lot of money. It depends on how you trade and how many times you trade. It's all on you. You don't pay a subscription to anyone, but then you are paying your own API so that you can trade. And then these APIs can helps you in a lot of things. Whenever you're coding something, you can use the same API. You see, this is where you get some of the API. This video is also teaching the exclusive information apart from this EI chart scanner. So this is how we go. This is how it goes. So whenever I want to trade again, okay, let me do this. So whenever I want to trade again, so as I've mentioned that you stop the deployment here, then the account will be disconnected. Now it is the undeployed, and then the account will be disconnected on the right side since it's connected now. It will be disconnected now. So let's go to execute trades and see if it's gonna execute. You see it has been disconnected because if it is disconnected, it won't execute trade.
Preparing to execute one sell order on Zoaston, lot size 0.01 SMC concept. Reason for this signal, detected symbol, XAUUSD, detected time frame, M30. The market shows a bearish trend with clear downside movement. Price has recently broken structure boss to the downside. We actual invalidation. Stop loss 4109.315. Take profit 4096.785. Please confirm to say.
Let me see this time. Okay, it has been connected now. So
preparing to execute one sell order on Zoaston, lot size 0.01 SMC concept. Reason for this signal, detected symbol, XAUUSD, detected time frame, M30. The market shows a bearish trend with clear downside movement. Price has recently broken structure boss to the downside. We anticipate continued.
Come here and disconnect it. Undeployed, so it has been connected. Why are you connecting it? Because we are saving your bills on this side. You are saving your bills. You are saving your bills. You see. So that's how it goes. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. So it's not charging you per hour if you have stopped the connection here. It's not charging you per hour. It's not charging you the per hour. It's only charging you per hour if you have connected it here. And then it's charging you whenever you come back and connect it at $0.070. You see. So you need to be aware of that. It's not charging you if you're connected, if you're disconnected. You see. So let's check how much is 0. So it's only charging you 11 rand. If you come back and start it, it's only 11 rand. You see. But if you're connected, let's say you're connected all the hours, it's gonna charge you per hour. It's gonna charge you per hour. It's gonna charge you per hour. Let's check how much per hour. So per hour is charging you 0.0 $12, 0.012 dollars. Let's check how much in rands. It's gonna charge you 0. I think it's so it's R1.90. So you can just say it's equivalent to R2 per hour. It's charging you R2 per hour. By the way, since this is the amazing AI chart scanner for private wealth cost here, you see we are milking now. It's about to hit the take profits. So why not getting this if it's easy to chop the market like this? So salutes guys, appreciate it.